Welcome to the Greek Art Gallery. We've been in business over 35 years, working with the most famous and talented Greek artists. Our philosophy is to continue making art in the ancient techniques. We have vases by potters and painters who've spent 50 years making beautiful reproductions. We have a lovely selection of mosaics, handmade by an artist who does restoration of ancient mosaics for the Greek government. And we're most proud of our sculptor, Kostas Simatekoulos, who makes bronzes and especially in the ancient technique of lost wax with beautiful finishes. He does a lovely collection of helmets and statues. All of our pieces include mailing service and insurance to your front door. Another famous design from Greece are icons. Our icons are painted on old wood with gold leaf and tempera and egg white. And for something special, we carry the famous Greek jeweler, Geto Christou, who makes designs in 18-karat gold and sterling silver based on Byzantine themes. We'd love for you to come and visit us in beautiful Greece at Katakolo Port, and you can check us out at our web shop at www.olympiaart.com. Thank you.